Okay. Let me log in as you. So, modules are located in two places, here or here. Either way, no problem. So we click here. Here. Getting started module, like in my email. This is getting started module. These are units, okay? Thank you very much. You finished the introductions unit, okay? Here you can continue with the collaborative tools unit and then finish with the reflective practice unit, okay? So these are units, these are modules. So as we move forward in the course, I will say, now we start part one review. So part one review, we click here, these are the units. So for example, let's say over 2 weeks we need to complete part one and then and now. So part one review, then and now. So we need to complete these units and these units of this module and this module. Okay, I hope that helps. If you need anything else, let me know, please.